Hello friend, welcome to my channel HRM Simplified with Priyanka. My topic is function of management, organizing and staffing. How do managers make sure the right work goes to the right people? Organizing. After planning, manager brings the plan to life through organizing. This means arranging resources, defining roles, creating a structure, delegating authority and coordinating effort so that work moves smoothly. Then comes to staffing. This is about putting the right people in the right job. Includes recruitment to attract talent, selection to choose the best fit, training and development, build skills, performance appraisal, evaluate and improve work. As for example, in a hospital, organizing ensure that department like emergency, surgery and administration work together. Staffing makes sure doctors, nurses and support staff are recruited, selected carefully, trained well and regularly evaluated to maintain quality care. In a short sentences, yeah, or summary, that organizing builds a structure, staffing brings in and develop people. Together they achieve goal efficiently. That's all for today's short video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.